Go ahead and see what this thing can do. Right now I'm driving on the, I would say, eco mode. You can see I'm only going, I would say, probably only going like, give me a second. I'm very slow right now, so going 4 miles an hour. You guys can see that, going 4 miles. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the this mode here. All right, I think you gotta stop. All right, let's go. Wow, I'm averaging 17 kilometers, 18 kilometers. Wow, the brakes kicking too. Wow, 17. Did okay. It's pretty quick. Wow, it's fast. For a go-kart. Holy crap! Whoa, this thing. Wow, this thing turns. It's quick. Look at this, guys. Oh man, for a sport mode, not bad. Wow. I'm surprised with the speed. You know how low you are, you can actually feel the speed on this thing. Just going. Wow. I did not really drift yet, so let's go ahead and I haven't really drifted around with it yet, so. Alright, let's go ahead and put it in this mode here. Whoa! I'm going 34 kilometers, 36 kilometers, 37 kilometers. Wow, it's quick. I mean, for this low, it's good enough. Holy crap. It's quick. Oh. Woo. Oh man. This, I'm just surprised how quick this thing is. Guys, look how fast I'm going. I mean, you're so low that you can actually control it without no problem. Man, that is quick. Wow. Drifting. Wow. Sport mode. I'm actually, okay, I'm not. Wow. Quick, guys. I didn't put the speaker on because I don't want it to be too loud. You know, it's still early in the morning. But this thing kicks, man. Wow. Amazing. Put the camera out here. Wow. All I'm getting is smile in my face. Wow. All right, am I going there? Wow. This thing kicks. Wow. It's fast. Look at this. Woo. And I mean, I'm going kilometers. I mean, for the speed that you're getting. Wow. I mean, it just turns too. Wow. Going speed. Woo. Yeah, you gotta wear a helmet. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm wearing a helmet. This thing is just quick. Wow. Whoa. Wow. So putting it right now in sport mode. Whew, that's awesome. So this thing really helps when you have this gauge here, you know. And even my I guess I got so many interference that, you know, I'm having a Bluetooth here, and I'm also having a Bluetooth on my, you know, of course, my Apple Watch, and just everything in ones. And it's just not only has Bluetooth, also your phone. You know, I'm sorry, I have my phone, and I also have my Osmo Action camera, and I also have my GoPro Hero Max. I mean, you know, you got so much signals, and it's still that's why I couldn't get the speed right, or maybe I did not turn my phone on right or something. It's weird. So yeah, it's quick. So and this is a sport mode here. Wow. So sport mode kick in. So it's at 26-27 miles an hour. Wow. The brakes, dude, the brakes are good. Okay, I'm really surprised the way the braking system on this thing. Surprisingly, so yeah. So and this gauge just helps everything for me, especially like if I just want to go ahead and, you know, I don't have to depend on my phone. I can just use this and I just do a press setup the way I want my speed and the way my suspension to be handled. So you just, you know, get a course here. But you cannot turn, so you gotta stop to change mode. So I don't know why. All right, so gotta stop to change the mode. And let's go back to sport mode. Sport mode. Wow, guys, this thing's whole ass. Woo! I mean, you know, sport mode, you're tapping about 27, 28 kilometers. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn over here. It's crazy. Yeah, so it moves. So now, when you put it in, oh man, this thing just goes quick. Look at this. Woo! Yeah, so definitely must have. And of course, I'm using an Osmo Action camera, and also I'm using a 360 Max. Woo! It's fast. I mean, you just get a smile on your face. Oh man. If I can get if you can hack this, but like I said, you know, the speed is good for the size. It's enough to go. I mean, I don't know how much more you need on this one, but of course, if you're crazy, you're probably gonna start hacking this thing and you probably want more speed. But look, this thing is quick. You know, it's just not bad. 37 kilometers. I'm trying to hit like 38 kilometers. Wow, guys. 38 kilometers. Oh, wow. Oh, man, I'm surprised now with this thing. So I'm just going. 36. Pushing it to 38 kilometers. Oh, man, it's quick. I mean, you know, of course you're gonna feel the bumps. It's go-kart, but oh man, but you feel it moving. 37 to 38 kilometers an hour. Oh, look at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and drift with it. Oh, it just handles. Suspension handles good too. Again, one more time. Wow, this is fun, man. I think it's quick. I mean, it's fun, you know. This is the. Let me go ahead and turn up here. This is really good. Oh wow! All right, let's talk about this. You know, I want to go ahead and talk about it. What is this really for? In my opinion, this is a lot of fun. I mean, spending this kind of money, guys, I'm already like, it is worth it, you know. I mean, especially if you get it on sale, I'll definitely look at it. If you can get one of this thing for sale, but it's just, you know, you can, your family member can play with this. I would say everybody can, you know, like in my opinion. I mean, just your kids, your wife, your girlfriend, your whatever you can call it, man, family, you know. And this is the one that stands out, and it's electric. You don't have to worry about fuel.